Okay, so I missed one of the wheels on this A7, so this is wheel number 4. Pretty well, you got a little spot here, and then the bad spots right here. That's pretty deep, so definitely, there's another spot over here. Definitely going to hit this with the conditioning disc on the grinder, and then everything else will sand out with the 320 grit. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe while I'm grinding, I'll get to work on this. That little spot is really deep. I'm going to switch over to the 60 grit real quick just to take that out. And go back over it with the red conditioning disc. Out with the 320 grit disc. And back to the 800 grit. Got it with 1500 grit. This is still damp from the last wheel. Clean up the repaired area. And we'll get the clear coat on. Next up is going to be a Jaguar XF, I believe it is. And I'm pretty sure those are also machined wheels.